Imagine a sunny day in ancient Greece, over 2000 years ago. The marketplace is full of people. They are buying food, talking, and laughing. But something special is about to happen. Two men are walking toward each other. They are not enemies. They are friends. But today, they will have a big argument. This is not a fight. This is something different. Something important. Let me tell you their story. We are in Athens, one of the most famous cities in the ancient world. The sun is shining on white marble buildings. People gather in the agora, the public square. This is where citizens meet, talk, and share ideas. It is a place of learning and thinking. Today, this place will witness something that will change history forever. Meet Socrates and Plato. Socrates is an older man with a long beard. He loves asking questions. Plato is younger. He is Socrates' student. Both men are philosophers. This means they love wisdom. They think deeply about life, truth, and what is right. They respect each other very much. But today, they do not agree on something important. The argument begins. Socrates asks Plato a question about justice. What does it mean to be fair? Plato gives his answer. But Socrates does not agree. He asks another question. Plato thinks carefully and answers again. People around them stop and listen. This is not shouting. This is not anger. This is an argument. It means they are giving reasons for their different ideas. The discussion becomes more intense. Socrates raises his hand and makes a strong point. Plato listens carefully. Then he responds with his own reasons. His voice is firm but respectful. The crowd watches closely. Some people nod. Others look surprised. Both men are passionate. They believe in their ideas. But they are not fighting. They are arguing with logic and respect. Now we reach the heart of their argument. Socrates believes that true knowledge comes from asking questions. Plato thinks that knowledge comes from understanding perfect ideas. These are two different views. Both men present their reasons clearly. They use examples. They explain their thinking. The audience is completely silent. Everyone is learning something new. Then something important happens. Plato pauses. He thinks about what Socrates just said. Maybe his teacher has a good point. Socrates also listens to Plato's words. He sees wisdom in his students' thinking. This is the beauty of a good argument. Both people can learn. Both people can grow. The truth becomes clearer when we share different ideas with respect. The argument ends peacefully. Socrates and Plato smile at each other. They shake hands. They still have different opinions, but that is okay. The people around them clap. They have witnessed something wonderful. A real argument is not about winning or losing. It is about finding truth together. It is about respecting different ideas and learning from each other. This argument between Socrates and Plato was written down. It was studied by students for thousands of years. Their ideas helped shape philosophy, science, and education. Because they argued with respect and reason, they discovered important truths. Their argument made the world better. Even today, we read their words and learn from them. So what is an argument? It is when two or more people have different ideas and they give reasons for what they believe. A good argument uses logic, not anger. It uses respect, not insults. We see arguments everywhere. In families, friends discuss where to go for dinner. In schools, students debate different answers. In governments, leaders argue about laws. Arguments help us think better and understand more. Thank you for watching this story from Wordscience. Remember, an argument is not a bad thing. When we argue with respect and reason, we learn and grow together. Just like Socrates and Plato did long ago. Keep learning, keep thinking, and keep asking questions. See you in the next video from Wordscience.